So, good afternoon again. This is the question number 17 of our vehicle rental database. And the question of this is calculate the average maintenance cost for each manufacturer, include the manufacturer name and the average cost. Para makuha na to siya, iato na to siya sa manufacturer nga table. Para dito ta mag-code. So we use select the manufacturer name, contact first name, contact last name, and this part of the columns you want select from the table. Like the manufacturer name, manufacturers table with alias of M. We use average to calculate the maintenance details ID, column from maintenance details, which is alias as MD and assigns result as maintenance ID. And for para makuha na to ang table nga gusto na to mabalaan, gisulod man ta sa manufacturer. Kita man kita ni manufacturer. This specifies nga mo ni ang main table na i-retrieve na to ang data. So musulod ta sa manufacturers. Morning M stand for the manufacturers. Para easy lang i-reference na to sa atong query. Okay. So we use inner join for clause, which para makombine ang data sa manufacturer table, and vehicle details based sa specific condition sa atong question. Like kani. And nagkuha na po inner join for the another maintenance to specify the third table involve the join and gives its alias as MD. Like kanito nakita dire, maintenance details MD. Mo nang gibot nga na to siya og on v.vehicle ID to join the condition, pero this condition makatabang ni to join the vehicle details with the maintenance details. And we use group by for close groups the result by the specified columns. Like sa nakabutang dia, maintenance details MD on V that vehicle ID equals vehicle ID. So, if atong era ni, makita na rin nato ang atong i-apply sa code. Loading po man. So, nara siya. Run. Makita na itong code. And that's all for the number 17.